Hi, I'm Angelique Sidham with InVideo. Welcome back and thanks for joining me today. There are definitely reasons that deter people from starting a channel or producing more content. Can you guess what it is? Fear of being on camera, fear of messing up, fear of being judged. Without being on camera, you'll never know who's behind the curtains. Less risk, and without the fear, most creators can stay consistent and remain in their zone of genius. It's a good place to be, and it results in more value being added to their audience. Am I speaking to you right now? In this video, we're gonna cover 10 types of content that will completely blow up this year. Videos you can make without showing your face, AKA faceless content, plus how to create most of these videos in under 15 minutes with InVideo. So let's begin. Here are 10 types of videos you can make without showing your face. Let's start with product reviews. The best part about product reviews is that you aren't the product. Like this one is a great example because not only does it give a review of the product, show how it works, it also gives the viewer a hack or another alternative to that product, which makes you kind of want to keep watching, right? Anytime you can combine one or more of the most popular video types on YouTube, you're in for a win. Take this channel for instance. Now this channel is not a faceless channel, but that does not mean that you couldn't take the same concept or idea that was seriously viral and use it to make faceless content. What they've done here is they have taken products that have the craziest reviews. Not only have they shown the reviews, which you can do without showing your face, but they've also reviewed the product. Next, we'll have product unboxing. Product unboxing is a super popular niche. Unboxing videos are really popular simply because if you are able to get your hands on a product before everyone else does, then you've got yourself some views. Everything from the tape being cut to the bags to the plastic coming off. For some people, this is really addicting. We hope this gives you some ideas on the type of unboxing channels that you can have. Really, unboxing is for anything, but it is good to niche down. You don't have to purchase expensive tech. Anything that you buy that could come in a box or a package can be unboxed. Next, we have software tutorials. Software tutorials are always popular because people need to learn how to use the tools that they're working with. Some quick examples are just of different programs that are commonly used in the workplace or that you know people tend to run into problems with. It's a program that people want to be able to learn how to use. Therefore, there is a market for people to be more interested. Here's an example of one of our subscribers that did a tutorial just on something simple like how to turn articles into videos. So just off the bat, you know that there is an audience for how to do things, and when people have goals that they need to accomplish, they will look for solutions for them. And while we're on the topic, let's talk about that. Being able to repurpose content on social media and teach people how to use tools in different ways is an even bigger bonus. So do you know how to repurpose something, or do you know how to do some things that are a little bit different than other people use the tool for? If so, this could be an amazing niche for you. Let's talk about listicles. Listicles are a great idea because it offers a lot of options. Not only can you pair things together, you can pair different types and categories together. So if doing a list-based channel is something that you're interested in, not only does this give you a lot of variety, but you're not capped on the type of niche, right? Because you can do a lot of different types of products or lists of things, but you would also not be capped on the amount of money that you make. We'll get into that later. Here are the 10 dumbest things that billionaires own. Why would we want to watch this? Don't know, but over 7.6 million people wanted to watch it in the last year. They really can be about anything, from cars to kitchen gadgets, can be luxury products to hacks to how to save money or how to recycle things. And that's likely why list type channels have been blowing up. Before we go any further, if you'd like to see more content on this particular topic, your comments below let us know what you prefer, and that matters to us. So thanks. How about gaming hacks? You can do one game specifically or try to combine more than one of these channel types and you're in the money. So here we have a concept of a list, 10 gaming hacks every gamer should know. What people really want to know is about the game and about the tips, right? They really don't want to know about you. And that's okay. That's truly a win here. Here's another example of 10 things you didn't know your PS4 could do. Well, now there's a PS5. What are 10 things people don't know that the PS5 can do? I'm sure there'll be a new video out soon. Hopefully, you'll cash in on this. So we don't want you to think that this is all about the equipment. You could also provide tips about specific games. So depending on the ones that you play, or maybe they're not ones you play, maybe they're tips and hacks that you've collected from other people, or maybe from an interview of professional gamers. Think of some ideas. There's definitely a lot of information to go around. New games come out all of the time. This channel type isn't going anywhere. Whether you're into crafts or not, sometimes it is just amazing to see what people make. Whether you're an artist or share some quick tips on how to do something a little bit more efficiently, these are the most amazing things to watch. Other than the cost of the supplies, if you're looking for a way to fund your hobby, this is a great choice for you. Again, this is what we call unpredictable content, because who would be aware of what this process would be? So you have to be able to watch it, and by the time you're sucked in, well, now you want to see how it ends. And that's why craft channels are blowing up. This is a pretty neat project, but it's always really nice to be able to see something from start to finish. And if you watched our last video, then you'll know why watch time is so important and how to increase it. So some of these ideas are what we would consider unpredictable content, and therefore people would have to watch in order to hear what you have to say or be able to see your process. Don't forget to check out the listicle templates on the InVideo platform just to be able to make this process easier and be able to list your steps. Speaking of crafts, I'm sure you've heard of 5-minute crafts. Well, this is a spin-off from that 5-minute recipes. Now they've moved on into the cooking niche. If you like doing things in a creative way and you just want to share them, you could start a faceless cooking channel. If you've got gadgets or cool hacks or tricks, you don't have to show your face. That's really not what they're looking for. If keeping up with what's popular is important to you, and that's something that you already have kind of a handle on, then this could be a really great option for you. People would not mind you going through and picking the best options so that they don't have to scroll to find them. They can rely on you to deliver it right to them. And thanks to the Fair Use Act, it's totally legal to do. Let's talk about commentary and reactions for just a second. This is a pretty broad niche, and it's because there's a lot packed in here. Let's just call it what it is. It's just good old-fashioned gossip. Talking about what's going on or what happened been on the rise for years, but even more so today. If so, you could use stock video, photos, or any other kinds of animated images to help you tell that story. So maybe it's not a story, maybe it's a riddle or a mystery. As long as the commentary is provided by you, you can do this without showing your face. Speaking of commentary, maybe it's something that you teach. If it happens to be personal finance, then you're in luck. Who's not trying to make more money? If you can do this in an entertaining and educational way, or edutainment, then you've got it in the bag. Be sure to find some examples of channels that you like so that you can take some notes and get some tips on which types of videos are more successful. Note down some of the techniques and strategies that they use in editing their videos. Or check out InVideo's templates, as we have many already animated templates that can help support build polished professional content for your channel. Are you ready to learn which types of videos make the most money online? Subscribe and hit the bell so that you're notified of our next video. Next, you'll learn how to make faceless videos both on and off YouTube. And you won't want to miss this, so hit the bell so you could be notified. Until then, follow me over here to learn the most important rules of increasing your watch time, which make your videos more profitable. My name's Angelique Stidham. Thank you for watching. We'll see you there.